morning, all. We are studying in 7th class in St.Mary High School. seethammadhara Doctor Spot in Visakhapatnam. This experiment is continued by Sharon.
Today's science experiment is volcano eruption. To do this experiment, the requirement objects are baking soda, eno, dish liquid, and finally vinegar. Now add some baking soda in the volcano. Again add some eno in the volcano. Now add dish liquid in the volcano. And finally we add the vinegar. Now we can see how lava is coming out from the volcano. This is the science experiment volcano. There are 4 types of volcanoes in the world. The most of volcanoes are there in the Japan only. We can see the volcanoes in Japan also. Thank you for giving this great